Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So I got these mini twists. Let me know which one is your favorite hairstyle. I'm mostly going to be using these scrunchies that I got on Amazon. I got a whole pack of scrunchies, so I'm going to have that link down below. Some rubber bands and some bobby pins. Also, guys, look at my press-on nails. These are from Chill House. All the links will be down below, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it.
Got to do with it, baby.
Yo, DJ Dempsey.
Got to do with it, baby. Slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks her lips. She could be the office type, but like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eyes. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I don't wanna lose the feeling, cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. And you looking good for the getting, I'm a rider. Whether in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You should see the jury on my women, and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trizz with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little menage? After the party, me and you could just slide for a few, and she can come through. That's love. Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trusting.
Yo, mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you.